Hi everyone. For this project, I want to build something simple, fun, and interactive. Also with Toby. Named was a word counter. I get the idea because sometimes we write something and wonder how many words we write at this time. Yeah. And then whether you are writing an essay or a tweet or something post, it is user is it is super useful to know the word count is. But I didn't want to make just any word counter. I want to make it more engaging by including accompanying Toby, who talks to the user, to the us, and makes the whole experience feel like a conversations instead of boring um, coding. So I would like to explain the code that I have um right before okay, wait. Okay, here we are. So at this time, yeah, I write this code. Yeah. Okay, sorry, but I have to make it more efficient. Okay, good. So first the first, I would like to import the module, time module, okay? And time module will use as a delay or a short break for Toby to say some words to another words. Yeah, some sentence to another sentence. First, I create the Toby character. I call this Toby sprite, and then Toby will introduce to us how uh, the program will run. And after that, the Toby will asking us about the user input, yeah, by asking us to typing the sentence. And after we input the sentence, Toby will count automatically by count the number of the words. And after that, Toby will respond with the result that we writing on. Yeah. So I'd like to run it. Yeah. So here the Toby explanations, greetings, and we start typing here. Hey, Toby, my name is Ahmad. Okay. So, okay, Toby saying, there are six words in your sentence. That's all. Uh, that's what I create about the programs. And finally, Toby will counting the program by reading our typing sentence, and it will respect and give the result. So that's all. That was a fun and easy project for me. Thanks for watching and see you next time.